Welcome to How Do I Recycle This, where contestants battle it out to see who knows more about recycling. Today we're looking at 16 types of plastic packaging, so get involved and test your knowledge. Water bottle.
You can recycle a water bottle, but rumour has it you're meant to take the tops off before you put it into the recycling bin.
Half a point. You must squash the bottle and put the lid on it to stop it rolling away in the recycling plant.
Did not know that.
No.
I definitely haven't been crushing it down.
Milk carton.
Yes, you can recycle these, but to do it, you have to, step 1, take off the lid. Step 2, wash all the milk out. And then I'm going to learn from the water bottle and see you squash it down and put the lid back on, just so it's all nice and clean and ready to recycle. Hey! Okay, cool.
1 whole point.
I've been doing that right.
You have been.
I have.
Soft plastic food bag.
Definitely recyclable. Surely. You just
How?
pop it in the recycling bin.
Incorrect. These can be recycled, but only at supermarket collection points.
What is one of those?
They're those big sort of bins things you see at Sainsbury's where people put all their plastic bags and things.
Oh, is that what they are?
Yeah.
Butter or margarine tub.
Oh, I got there. I think I'm going to say that you can't recycle them.
See, I would have thought / hoped you could recycle it. I would wash it out, like take the lid off, wash it out, and then just pop it in the recycling bin. And hopefully I'm saving the planet.
Correct, but there is a chance it may not be recycled if it's made of polystyrene, but these will be identified at the recycling plant.
Well, they'll go through each spread tub and then decide whether it can be. Oh.
Foam takeaway box.
This is a tricky one.
Yeah. No, you can't recycle it. I think it's something to do with the material.
Ah.
Cleaning spray.
Oh. No, I don't think you can. I think with the chemicals in there, I'd be really wary of recycling it.
See, I would recycle this as is my default position, although because I'm not 100%, I'd probably separate those two and hope at least one part could be recycled. But again, not confident.
Correct. It is the container that can be recycled. However, it is advised you remove the nozzle and tube and discard them in your general waste.
Oh, okay. I've learned.
No, you do.
Squeezie lotion tube.
Again, with my default position on recycling, I'd put it in the recycling bin.
You seem to be a default
I am,
recycler.
default. I'll chuck it in the recycling.
And I seem to be a default non-recycler.
Yeah, I know, killing the planet.
Stop saying that.
Olive oil bottle.
I would crush this, pop it back on, recycling.
I would clean it out before doing that, and then crush, and put the lid back on. Oh, I'm correct.
Cake box with film window.
Okay, what I'm going to say is that you can partially recycle it. I would probably cut out the plastic here, and then I would throw away the plastic and I'd recycle the cardboard.
Oh. I mean, oh yay, you've been doing it right.
Cling film.
Oh. See, this is probably one I would put in the bin.
I don't really know anything about cling film. Does anyone know anything about cling film?
Satsuma netting.
I'm going to say no, because of all this netting.
Correct. Never put netting like this into the recycling, as it can clog up the conveyor belts at the recycling plant.
You kind of think if this just goes in the bin and then it ends up in a landfill or the sea or something.
And then the fish get caught in it.
And then things get caught. But I guess it's a lose-lose situation, isn't it?
Entire ready meal packaging.
Ooh, okay, dang. So obviously take this off. Boom, straight into the recycling. Pop that in the microwave, peel that off to enjoy your delicious macaroni cheese. I feel like this has to go in the bin, unfortunately. Eat your lovely mac and cheese in front of the television, no doubt. And then rinse it out, pop this bit into the recycling.
Okay.
Crisp packet.
No, you can't recycle these because it crinkles, and I just don't think you can recycle anything that crinkles, but I don't know why. I've just always accepted that as true. So I'm going to say no, you can't recycle it.
Ooh, what are we at?
6 to 5.5.
Ooh, okay.
Salad bag.
Surely. You can surely recycle that.
Incorrect. Like other soft plastics, salad bags cannot be recycled.
Oh no!
I wish I'd... I wish
Oh,
I'd
yes, because it's a crinkle thing.
I didn't realise it was crinkly.
Yogurt pot.
Yes!
No, that was me.
No, it was me. I let you have one, I have
competition turns you nasty.
Okay.
I think both of our answers should be
Shall we say it at the same time? 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
You
But
can
you have to
recycle,
wash
it out first.
Yeah. Make sure there's no dairy residue. Okay. We both accept 1 point.
So moral of the story, default recycle unless it's an orange bag, in which case definitely put that in the bin.
Moral of the story is that I know more about recycling than you.
It's devastating.
Check out Recycle Now for more information on what you can and can't recycle in your area. And make sure you visit the Which website to find out how you can reduce your plastic footprint.